Classic car lovers, buckle up because today we're diving into automotive royalty, the most expensive classic cars sold at auction in 2025. These beauties aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of history, engineering marvels, and collectors' dreams. Some of these price tags will make your jaw drop. So let's hit the gas and count down the top 10 most expensive classic cars sold in 2025. Number 10. Starting off our list is the breathtaking 1957 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, arguably one of the most recognizable classic cars ever made. That iconic silhouette, those stunning gullwing doors, this car screams sophistication. With its 3.0L inline-six engine and 215 horsepower, it was the fastest production car of its time. And in 2025, one pristine example fetched a staggering $5.2 million at auction. A true icon of the 1950s, proving that style never goes out of fashion. At number 9, we have the sleek and sultry 1967 Ferrari 275 GTP/4. Enzo Ferrari himself called this one of the finest cars ever built, and collectors agree. Sporting a 3.3 LV12 engine, this beauty produced 300 horsepower, making it a thrill to drive even by today's standards. With just a few hundred ever built, this particular example went under the hammer for a mind-blowing $6.5 million. Now that's passion on wheels. Number 8. Elegance, speed, and exclusivity. The 1931 Bugatti Type 55 Supersport embodies all three. With only 38 units ever produced, this rare masterpiece features a supercharged 2.3L straight-8 engine that could reach a blistering 110 miles per hour, insane for its time. In 2025, a Concours Condition Type 55 sold for an astounding $7.8 million, proving that pre-war Bugattis remain untouchable in collector circles. Number 7. 1953 Jaguar C-Type wasn't just a car. It was a little man's winning machine, designed to dominate endurance racing. It featured a 3.4L inline-six engine, pushing out 220 horsepower. This particular C-Type, with an impressive racing pedigree, recently sold for a staggering $8.6 million. For collectors, this wasn't just about owning a Jaguar. It was about owning a piece of motorsport history. Number 6. Aston Martin and Zagato. Two names that spell automotive perfection. The 1962 Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato was built to rival Ferrari on the track, with its 3.7L straight-six engine delivering 314 horsepower. But with only 19 ever built, finding one is like finding automotive gold. This year, a pristine example sold for $9.4 million. A price that proves Bond's favorite brand will always be a collector's dream. Number 5. On our list is the 1937 Mercedes-Benz 540K Special Roadster, a car that redefines elegance. With a 5.4L supercharged inline-8 engine, this pre-war masterpiece was the pinnacle of luxury and speed. Only a handful remain today, which explains why it fetched an eye-watering $10.8 million at auction. Talk about timeless appeal. Number 4. 1967 Ferrari 330P4 was built for one purpose, dominating the racetrack. With a 4.0L V12 engine, churning out 450 horsepower, it remains one of the most beautiful endurance racers ever made. This rare beast sold for an insane $12.5 million, proving that Ferrari's racing heritage is priceless. Number 3. This one's a legend, the 1938 Alfa Romeo 8C 2900B. With its aerodynamic body and a 2.9L straight-8 supercharged engine, this was the Ferrari of its day. In 2025, a Concours-level example changed hands for $16.2 million, cementing its place as one of the greatest pre-war sports cars ever. Number 2. We all knew this was coming. The 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO is a unicorn among classic cars. Powered by a 3.0 LV12 with 300 horsepower, this car won races, graced museums, and captured hearts. With only 36 ever made, it's no surprise that it sold for a record-breaking $52 million this year. Absolute perfection. And at number 1, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe. This one-of-two masterpiece broke records in 2025, selling for an earth-shattering $143 million. That's right, this is the most expensive classic car ever sold. With its 3.0L straight-8 engine, it was essentially a race car for the road, making it one of the most historically significant cars ever made. Simply breathtaking. And that's our list. Which of these legendary machines would you take for a spin if money wasn't an issue? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from Torque Update. Until next time, keep the engines roaring.